I feel like pride is a very expensive thing. Nerdfighteria represent! I've really noticed that Nerdfighteria is like this physical thing, you know. Originally I thought it's this kind of word, kind of like an N-word, I-N word that we use to describe maybe the online community, but now that I've made close interactions with people within it, and I've seen that it's more than just like a thing on the Ning or a YouTube channel. It's earned in its own right this sense of pride that comes with maybe any other culture or nation or whatever. I think the sense of pride is a really big thing. Like, how many YouTubers who are nerdfighters have things like DFTBA on their channels, or have done the nerdfighter sign in their videos, or have made videos about John's books, or maybe Hank's music, or has incorporated Hank's music in it, or love the DFTBA artists, and go to tons and tons of Nerdfighter events. It's becoming more and more of this sort of thing that you would accept that people have pride for. I mean, I bought this shirt because I rallied around Nerdfighteria with Esther when we were raising money for the HP Alliance to win the contest. Yeah, me being in the Harry Potter fandom and involved in that also made me want to vote for the HP Alliance. A lot of it stemmed from Andrew Slack and all these Harry Potter people being at VidCon, and then that Sunday people filming videos and talking about the HP Alliance, and then coming home on that Monday and watching the videos that were posted the day before about the HP Alliance, and seeing people like Shane Dawson, people who Nerdfighters influenced, you know, with their pride, with their excitement for their community, for their nation, if you will, to bring about some good in the world and give HP Alliances money so that they can do things with it that a lot of people in the Nerdfighter community support, like books. A lot of Nerdfighters like books. Support for victims of genocide and awareness of genocide, and for Haiti relief, and for LGBTQ rights, and all this wonderful stuff that the Harry Potter Alliance does. I mean, Nerdfighteria even has its own sense of propaganda, right? Well, maybe it's not propaganda, but it's kind of symbols that you are a Nerdfighter, and that you are part of this forceful entity. And I mean, what are things that we like to do, if not express our pride by buying these sorts of things, or buying Hank's music? And we put Nerdfighter notes in these books to what? Recruit more Nerdfighters. John says in his videos that liking the videos makes more Nerdfighters. So in this case, I think that having this sort of pride for this metaphysical realm that we call Nerdfighteria is actually a really good thing. And I think in the case of an online community becoming some place that we make kind of physical, or like I said earlier, metaphysical, is really an interesting and totally awesome thing. This week's theme was nationalism, and I think it's important to realize that nationalism doesn't always have to be standing up for the pledge or voting. It can be something as simple as leaving Nerdfighter notes and buying shirts in remembrance of wonderful Nerdfighters, and living every day not forgetting to be awesome, if you're into that whole sort of Nerdfighter thing. I totally think if there was like a Nerdfighteria flag or something, it would totally be in my room, and I may or may not pledge allegiance to it. I mean, you know, that is if I wasn't already sitting down.